How to fix apps and games not opening in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix apps and games not opening in Windows 11. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to simply right click on your toolbar and you need to choose Task Manager. You can simply expand the menu bar or simply keep as it is. Click three-line icon at top left corner and now choose Services option. Click three dots on this window and click Open Services. Now the Services window opens where you need to simply scroll down and locate the option for Windows Update. And right click on Windows Update and click Stop button. And once you do that, you need to close this windows. Once you're done with that, you need to simply use the search bar at bottom left and open File Explorer. Now move ahead and click on this PC at bottom left and you need to open Local Disk C. Now after that, you need to choose Windows and you need to search for Digital Locker. Simply open it and you need to search for software distribution, and after that you need to search for data store and you simply need to delete it and you need to restart in order to make or apply changes. And once you have followed this all the steps, your apps and games not opening in Windows 11 will be fixed. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.